Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got some more awesome freebies for you all to check out. I know I'm loading up your memory box. Forgive me, but I can't help it. All right. Now we got a couple of awesome watch faces in the lineup, and yes, they are free for the taking, worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. We got one that's going to be analog, and we got one that's going to be digital. So sit back, relax, check out these awesome free watch faces. Now, the name of the first watch face is called Goldie. Goldie is nice, especially in the AOD mode. In the AOD mode, it looks super elegant. You got a nice black background. The arms, so far the analog hands are white, looks beautiful. Now, when the watch face is on, yes, you're greeted with a traditional watch face look. It's gonna have a couple of dials. Now you get stylish analog hands, which looks very unique. You also get a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. You're gonna get info on your battery, your steps, and you get the date. Now, what I really like about this watch face is that you can customize it to whatever color you like for whatever you're going to be wearing for the day. Either simply just tap in the middle or anywhere on the watch face, and you can customize it to the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. But what I really like about this watch face is that not only can you customize the background, because I really like the theme that's going on in the background as well, add some character to the watch face. If you double tap on the sub dials, you can change those as well. I thought that was definitely an awesome touch for a free watch face. Now the middle one doesn't change, but that gives you the date. You're all good, people. Listen, you got to hit me in the comment section below. I got to know, is this one that you will download or not? All right, with that being said, let's check out watch face number two. Now, number two is nice. It's a big, bold digital time. It is going to be in 24 hours for those of you all who love 24-hour time. The name of the watch face is called GWK002301. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. Your digital time is going to light up green in the AOD mode, at least for the Gear 3, that is. And once the watch face is on, the layout and the look isn't a bad look for a casual watch face. Up at the top, you are going to get your battery meter. Right next to it, I like this, right? It says the watch is charged 60%. You're going to get your date over here. You are going to get the day of the week as well. Again, your big, bold digital 24-hour time. Now, right here, what you see that's lit up in yellow is your seconds in 5-second intervals. I thought that was different for a watch face. And also, you're going to get your step info and your goal completed as well. Now, with a single tap, and I got a slight delay on mine because of everything that I have on here, you will be able to pull up your step status info. Also, you can pull up your battery and you can pull up your calendar as well. So I thought this was definitely a good look. And if I double tap in the middle, I can change the color theme of the digital time. So I thought this was a good look for a free watch face. Not bad at all. Set it to whatever color you like and you're all good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.